Urban housing plays a crucial role in socio-economic development, providing shelter and improving quality of life. This module explores housing's importance and functions, from individual well-being to national progress. Housing is fundamental, generating conditions for health, sanitation, education, and employment opportunities. In India, socio-cultural variables like caste, kinship, household size, and building materials influence housing quality. Housing affordability and stability profoundly impact child development, affecting education, health, and well-being. Unaffordable housing leads to instability, substandard conditions, and sacrifices in education and medical care. For adults, housing subsidies improve parenting behaviors and physical mental health, reducing household stress. Housing assistance benefits seniors and disabled, reducing hospital admissions and improving health. At national level, affordable housing fosters equitable education, civic participation, and economic growth. Investing in quality, affordable housing is crucial for societal benefits and inclusive economic future.